Everybody, once again, this is Aaron Woodson. Continue to like, subscribe, and share for content. This here is a 99 Toyota Camry I'm working on. Gonna need a hood, reinforcement, absorber. I think it needs it. Yeah, I know it does. Condenser, radiator. I already started taking this car apart. Like I said, I don't always remember to document this stuff. But condenser, radiator, hood latch, and a little bit of pulling on the core support. I'm gonna go to the local pull and pay and try find the car the same color. Here this morning, Saturday morning, the local pull apart, looking to buy some parts for a vehicle I'm working on for a family member. Here at the local pull apart, look what we have here. The exact same color car. Let me see. It's a 99. Has every part I need except for the headlight and the marker light, which are not going to be too bad to buy. So this job will just turn into remove and install on the car and a remove from this car. Bumper, hood, condenser, radiator, hood latch, everything I need. I'm expecting to pay no more than $200 for these parts. Matter of fact, 200 might be on the high end. Okay, and I have everything I need here. I have Eagle Eyes. It's an aftermarket brand for the headlights. Hood is on the car. I have the bumper, the absorber. I had to get some fans for the car. Like I said, this is an older car, family member car, and they just want it back on the road, save some money. It's actually a teenager's car, so they don't want to buy a new car. This car has been in the family for a long time. They've owned this car since 2001, and here it is, 1999. And like I said, you can get into these cars, like I said, on my rebuilt title and salvage title, clean title. This is a clean title car. This exact accident on this car right now, back, let's say 10 years ago, it would have, been repaired. Today, this exact same accident with the value of the car going down, they would have salvaged the title on this car and it would have had to have been rebuilt. So that's just kind of one instance and way that you come up with a salvage or rebuilt title. Like I said, the value of the car goes down and the repair goes up. Therefore, the insurance company will want to salvage it. But with this family, knowing what they know, knowing me, they just paid out of pocket. Kept the title clean on the car, kept the car on the road. Didn't cost them much money to get this car back on the road. This is probably going to be less than $1,000 repair. Some will say, yeah, you can buy that car for that. Well, this car here, they know what they have in it. Have brand new tires on it, brand new struts, brand new brakes. They kept up on the maintenance, so you probably couldn't buy this exact car in this condition for $1,000. So to pay $1,000 for this, they love paying it, and they probably pay it twice. It does need a couple other things like an outside door handle, which I'll probably go back and get that. I just wanted to get the car back on the road and get it going. But here it is. Like I said, just needs to be assembled. May take about, let's say, 5 or 6 hours to get everything where it needs to go, lined up. Hood's lining up pretty good already. But about 5 or 6 hours to get this car back on the road. Instead of using the used radiator condenser at the salvage yard, went on about a new radiator and condenser so we don't have that problem or a future problem. But here it is. Continue to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Any questions or concerns? Like I said, just wanted to briefly go over this and show you this can be done, and especially by a guy that does this kind of work himself on his job. You can do this for your family too.